We've installed, tested, and hacked over 100 models to find the ones that are truly worth your money. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 security cameras of 2025. Our number 1 pick has AI detection that's almost psychic, and our number 3 is a wireless wonder with a battery that lasts forever. Stick around to the end for the ultimate winner. And for every camera we show, all the links to get the best deals are waiting for you in the video description. Number 1. Google Nest Cam, wired, indoor. With an understated style, Google's indoor Nest Cam comes in a few elegant finishes, including one with a maplewood base, to help it blend in with your decor. It has HDR, the 1080p video quality is clear at 30 frames per second, and night vision kicks on automatically when the lights are out. There's also two-way audio, enforced two-factor authentication, and accurate detection to alert you about people, animals, or vehicles. You can install and use the Nest Cam through the Google Home app, and it's quick to load on Nest displays or a Chromecast with Google TV. It's even now accessible via a web interface. You only get 3 hours of history unless you sign up for a Nest Aware subscription, which now costs $10 per month, $100 per year, for 30 days of event video history and familiar face alerts, but that covers all your Nest devices. You can also use the camera in a Nest Hub Max as an indoor security camera. Once you have tagged familiar faces, your notifications include their names, which is handy, and can be reassuring. It's good to know when your kids get home versus when an unfamiliar face pops up. It's not 100% accurate, but it's closer than any other camera I have tested. Number 2. TP-Link Tapo C225, TC73. With a compelling range of features, including video at up to 2K and 30 frames per second, 360 degrees of pan and 149 degrees of tilt, and local storage on a microSD card, up to 512 gigabytes, this camera unseats the Wise-Cam Pan V3 as my favorite panning camera. The live feed is consistently quick to load, and image quality is excellent if you select the higher resolution and frame rate and toggle on HDR in the app. You can also set waypoints for the camera to patrol through on your chosen schedule, and the automatic subject tracking is top-notch. The onboard AI can categorize by motion, person, pet, or vehicle, and you can set an alert when a line is crossed. The two-way audio is relatively clear and lag-free, and there's sound detection too, baby, pet, or glass breaking. There's also a large image sensor, TP-Link calls it the Starlight sensor, for clear image capture in low light. The privacy mode prompts the camera lens to rotate inside, so you know you aren't being recorded. On the downside, it's a little bulky, and a Tapo Care subscription, starting from $3.50 a month or $35 a year for one camera, is required for cloud storage, rich notifications with snapshots in them, and easy video filtering. Number 3. Aqara Camera Hub G3. Cute ears are amazingly effective at adding personality to a device. This pan and tilt security camera doubles as a smart home hub. It boasts wide compatibility, including Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and IFT. It also acts as a Zigbee 3.0 hub, offering a way to bring all kinds of Aqara sensors and accessories into your smart home fold, and it even has an IR controller. A door or window sensor can trigger the camera to turn on and start recording. As a camera, you can expect crisp 2K footage. HomeKit is limited to 1080p. The camera has a 110-degree field of view. It rotates through 340 degrees, tilts up 30 degrees, and down 15 degrees to cover a large area. Sadly, recording at 20 frames per second means fast movement can cause blurring. Onboard AI enables person, pet, face, and gesture detection. A cruise mode has the camera cycle through positions, and it can track subjects, though it is a little slow to do so sometimes. Insert a microSD card, up to 128 gigabytes, for local recordings. The sleep mode has the camera lens roll up and shows a pair of closed eyes. It's a shame you can only connect Aqara accessories and must dig into the Aqara app to access certain features, including pan and tilt. Number 4. Eufy Indoor Cam S350. This feature-packed camera from Eufy is likely overkill for most folks, but it's an impressively versatile device. It combines a regular camera with a 130-degree field of view that can go up to 4K with a 2K telephoto lens that provides 3x optical zoom. There's also privacy mode, two-way audio, and onboard AI to detect people, pets, and sounds. You can record locally with a microSD card up to 128 gigabytes, not included. Hook it up to a Homebase 3, sold separately, or subscribe for cloud storage from $4 per month. The footage is crisp and detailed enough to zoom in on, though bright areas like sun streaming in a window can appear blown out. Because the frame rate is 15, sometimes fast-moving subjects appear blurry. Notifications are swift and come with a thumbnail if you don't mind uploading to the cloud. It is optional. Number 5. Imilab C30 Dual Security Camera. You don't have to spend a lot to get a dual-lens camera, and the Imilab C30 Dual proves it. Combining two 3K resolution lenses, one fixed and one that can pan 360 degrees, tilt 60 degrees, and zoom in 6x, this camera can fully cover any room. It has a USB-C port, a lengthy USB-C to USB-A cable, and an adjustable mount. It connects to the Xiaomi Home app, which can be a little confusing but offers many features and is generally quick to load the live feed. There's also support for Amazon Alexa or Google Home. The footage is crisp and clear and stays in color in low light, only switching to infrared when it's completely dark. The AI detection seems pretty accurate, and the two-way audio works well. You can turn on automatic people tracking in the app, so the camera's pan/tilt lens follows subjects, but it can be a little flaky. The C30 Dual has a great range of features for checking in on your kids or pets throughout the day, and it also appears in our Best Pet Cameras guide. If this guide helped you feel more secure and saved you from a bad purchase, please hit that like button. It tells YouTube this video is helpful. Share this with a friend or family member you care about keeping safe. And for more honest smart home reviews and security tips, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.